A little birdie told me that you haven't been studying and school is starting in less than 2 weeks. I think we should study together. Luckily for us, we have options: chemistry, biology, geometry, and English. Which one? Yeah, girl, I was thinking chemistry too. Let's just knock it out the park. Emily, do you feel the chemistry? I feel it in the atmosphere. Sorry, I just had to. I even have my handy dandy computer in case I need to search anything up. So let's get started. So many choices. I'm kind of feeling like we should do acids and bases. So I have not studied for the whole summer. I've been so busy. But you know what? It's not too late. It's not too late. So I'm gonna start. You can just trust me. Trust that I am studying. You can kind of see like my setup here. Yeah. So you know, I hope you're studying too. Ooh, okay, so it says acids are substances that dissociate, separate in water to produce hydrogen, H+ ions. I actually learned this last year, so this is kind of just a review, but I have no doubt I'm gonna see some things that might catch me off guard, so, you know, we'll prepare for that. And then it says bases are substances that dissociate in water to produce hydroxide, OH-. So acid are positive, bases are negative. Something helpful is an acronym that says, like, it's bad, so like BAAD. Bases accept, acids donate. It's time for a quiz. Yay, quiz time. First question is, what is an acid? This was at the beginning. Let's see if I remember. An acid is, it's H+, so it contained, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like, this is the word, it's like a cation, like a cat, like cation, yeah. I'm just gonna write that down. Next question is, what is a base? Okay, so what I said for acids, I said acids separate in water to produce H+ ions. I won't cut so that you guys know, like, I'm not looking back at the first page. If I do look back at the first page, I'm gonna be honest with you. What is a base? A base is, bases separate in water to produce OH- ions. I'll write that down. Brother. Okay. Under what circumstances does neutralization occur? It occurs when this is it right here. When a positive ion, aka cation, plus a negative ion, an anion, mix together to form a salt. That is what I'm gonna write down. Next question, how can you tell an acid from a base using litmus paper? An acid would turn the blue litmus paper red and the red litmus paper would stay red. So, how can you tell an acid from a base? What properties do acids and bases have in common? I don't know. I'm gonna have to check. They both conduct electricity. Yeah. What is a salt and how is it formed? A salt is, it's a substance formed when, I'm flipping over. Combination, yes! Oh my gosh, I was literally about to say that. It says it's a combination of a cation or whatever it's called, from the acid and an anion from the base. That's literally what I was about to write, but I was like, you know what? Let me just double check before I write it. Yeah. How did Bronsted and Lowry's definitions of acids and bases differ from the Arrhenius definition? I believe it's with the, yeah, it didn't explain everything found in water. Yes, perfect. So that's what I'm gonna write down because there's limited space. Yay. We are moving on to geometry. Right now I'm working on quadrilaterals and polygons, so that is fun. What's actually so crazy is that my grades in science are higher than my grades in math, even though I like math more than science. I don't know how that works. If someone can make sense for me, make it make sense for me, that would be amazing. But yeah, I'm actually just finishing up the quiz. I actually recorded like 4 minutes worth of footage, but TikTok decided to start glitching and it was a whole thing. But I am almost done the quiz. So yeah, guys, I'm actually pretty good at math. You guys would be so surprised. Yes, we'll finish up and I'll come back. All right, yep. Let's see if I can do some quick math real quick. I need a calculator. I'll be right back. Let's see. This is 1/5, and then this is gonna be 30. 3 times 15 is 45. Yep, 30. Cool. Find values of x and y. Oh, there we go. Let's check our answers, shall we? First one is right. Second one is wrong. Third one is right. Fourth one is right. Fifth one is also right. Sixth one is 150, 30. No, yes, yes. Oh, I got that one kind of wrong. And then 10th one is